Okay, so put tayo sa problem number 4 now, guys. So, ang function natin is integral of sine 4x dx. So, sir, pwede pala na mawala ang kahit isang function ng sine or cosine. So, pwede siya, guys. So, baka magtaka kailangan yung complete yung product form. Hindi. So, kahit ito sa second part na or second case natin, so, pwedeng wala ang sine dun. Pwedeng wala ang cosine. So, we can still evaluate yung sign. Basta positive at integer yung exponent niya. Okay, so in this case naman, so wala kang cosine. So dito, ang pansin natin, case number 3 siya. Bakit? Sa case number 3 kasi, so, ang m tsaka n mo are both positive even integer. So even, sabihin nyo, 2, 4, 6, 8 na 8, 10, 12, so on and so forth. So those are even integers or numbers. So ano ang case dito? So dito, you can have at least 3 transformations, di ba? So kita naman natin. So sine squared u is equals to 1 minus 1 of 1 half minus 1 half cosine 2u. So pag naman cosine ng cosine squared u is equals to 1 half plus 1 half cosine 2u. So yun. So yung tatlong transformation natin. So depende sa given example. But this case, so isa lang ang binigay, sine to the 4th raised to the 4th power x dx. So of course, ang magiging transformation yan, sine squared. Okay, so paano first step natin? So gagawin natin yan, guys. So we need to pull out. So paano magiging sine squared to? So pwede nating i-factor out yung power 2, di ba? So pwede siyang gawing integral of sine squared x raised to 2 dx. Di ba pwede yan? So nilabas natin yung exponent 2. Then of course, sine squared x, ito na siya, di ba? Yung transformation natin. Ito na, sine squared u. So papalitan natin yung sine squared x nitong transformation na to. So it becomes integral of 1 half minus 1 half cosine so x. So since 2 yun, so 2, so yung u papalitan natin ng x, so 2x squared dx. Okay, so yun yung ating magiging transformation now. Then sunod natin, we expand. So binomial yan, so expand natin siya. So magiging integral of, so 1 half raised to is 1/4 minus twice the product. So twice the product is what? 2. So 2, ba? 1 half times 1 half is 1/4 times 2. So 1 half pa rin. 1 half cosine 2x plus, so 1 half raised to is 1/4 cosine squared 2x squared dx. Ayan. So yun na yung ating expansion. So we can factor out, ano factor natin? 1/4. Diba? So let's factor out 1/4. Constant natin. Baka mawala itong 1/4 dito. So factor out 1/4 becomes integral of, so 1 minus, so pag pinactor out natin 1/4, so anong mangyayari? So 1/4, so it becomes 2. 2 cosine 2x plus cosine squared 2x dx. Okay, check natin kung integrable na ba. So ito, we can get the integral. Itong cosine 2x, pwede. Problem natin, cosine squared. Since wala tayong integral ng cosine squared, cosine function lang. So ito ka pa. So we need this one to, or we need to transform this one using the other formula, which is ito. So we have to do this transformation. Cosine squared u is equals to 1 half plus 1 half cosine 2u. So gamitin yun. So okay, so let's use that one. So we replace natin. So magiging 1/4 integral of 1 minus 2 cosine 2x plus, so becomes 1/2 plus 1/2 cosine 2. Then yung u, papalitan natin ng 2x. So 2x. Ayan. Then dx. Clear? Tama. Ayan. So kulang pa ng parenthesis. Ayan. So dito guys, very crucial yung parenthesis. So dapat alam nyo kung ilang parenthesis ang ilalagay natin. Ayan. So of course, we can multiply this one. So magiging cosine 4x na yan. So if we rewrite this one, so 1/4 integral of 1 minus 2 cosine 2x plus 1/2 cosine 2 times 2, so that's 4x already, dx. Clear? So, ba't sir naging 2x yung sa gitna? Ba't naging 4x na siya? Kasi originally, di ba, cosine 2 siya, di ba? Dito sa problem natin, ay dito sa formula natin. So, of course, yung u, ipapalit natin yung u, papalitan natin siya ng 2x dito. So, that's why 2 times 2, naging 4x na siya. So, ganun na ginagawa dyan, guys. Okay, so, what's next? So, we can factor, tanggalin natin yung parenthesis dito. So, of course, pwede mag-add to 1 plus 1/2, 3/2 na. So, 1/4 integral of 3/2 minus 2 cosine 2x plus 1/2 cosine 4x. At pag-check natin, this is integrable. So, pwede na integrate. Ito rin, tsaka ito. Diba? So, pwede na siya integrate lahat. So, we can distribute the negatives, the 1/4, the integral sign ng dx. So, magiging, ano na siya, 1/4 integral of 3/2 dx minus, so 1/4 times negative 2, so 1/2, negative 1/2 integral of cosine 2x dx, then 1/4 times 1/2, so plus 1/8 cosine integral of cosine 4x dx. Then we can take the integral, so ito pwede natin ilabas, so multiply nyo na lang, so becomes 3/8 integral of dx minus 1/2 integral of cosine 2x dx plus 1/8 integral of cosine 4x dx. So yan.